2015 5-center Canada coin. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the 2015 Canadian 5-cent coin. From the common beaver design to the rare errors and the legacy series that every collector is hunting for. Let's dive in. The standard 2015 circulation nickel. First, let's talk about what you'll actually find in your pocket change. The 2015 circulation nickel features the classic beaver design on the reverse, created by G. E. Kruger Gray back in 1937. On the obverse, you have the Susanna Blunt effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. Now, notice the small RCM logo under the Queen's portrait. This confirms it's a modern multiply plated steel coin. With a mintage of roughly 87 million, these aren't rare by circulation standards. In average condition, it's worth exactly 5 cents. But don't toss it yet. We need to talk about the logo error. Collectors have recently started reporting a specific variety for 2015, the filled logo or die chip logo error. Because these coins are struck at high speeds, the stamps that hit the metal start to break down. On some 2015 nickels, you'll see extra bits of metal surrounding or clogging the RCM logo or the letters in Elizabeth. What to look for? Die cracks. Look for raised lines of metal that look like veins running through the Queen's hair or near the date. The logo chip. Look for a blob of metal inside the circular RCM logo. While these aren't worth thousands, an uncirculated 2015 nickel with a significant die crack or a major logo error can sell to variety collectors for 5 to 20. Not bad for a 5-cent investment. Now, this is where the 2015 nickel gets really interesting. In 2015, the Mint released a special 6-coin set called the Legacy of the Canadian Nickel. These look like nickels, they are denominated as 5 cents, but they are massive compared to a normal coin, 40 mm wide and made of 99.99% pure silver with selective gold plating. These coins brought back the greatest hits of Canadian history. If you find one of these in a collection, here is what they are worth. The crossed maple boughs features the crown and maple branches. The 2 maple leaves, the first nickel to actually be made of nickel. Features the iconic V and Morse code on the rim. The identification of nickel depicts a nickel refinery. The centennial. The famous Alex Colville hopping rabbit. The value, each of these was limited to only 8,500 coins. Today, individual coins from this series sell for 80 to 120, and the full set in the original wooden box can go for over 600. One last thing to watch for is the 2015 proof nickel. This came inside the 50th anniversary of the Canadian flag set. While the 25-cent coin in that set has a colored flag, the nickel is a proof strike. It looks like a normal nickel but has a mirror-like background and frosted details on the beaver. If someone broke open a set and spent it, you might find a proof alternative in the wild. These are highly prized for their perfection. Summary and conclusion. Coin version condition estimated value standard circulation circulated 0.05 major die crack logo error uncirculated 5.20 proof mint 2.5 legacy silver series proof boxed 90, 120. So, is the 2015 nickel worth a fortune? Usually, no. But if you're a variety hunter looking for die chips, or a silver stacker looking for that legacy series, there is plenty of profit to be found. Check your jars, look at that RCM logo under a magnifying glass, and you might just find a winner. If you found a weird 2015 nickel, tell me about it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canadian coin hunting. Happy hunting!